Well, what's going on, everyone? It is a beautiful day here in the Carolinas. Not really, it's raining like crap out here. We've been having a couple of heavy downpours here on Friday. Good one this morning and just this afternoon. And I figured this is a great time to actually show what the water does when we get heavy rainstorms. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys. Yeah, that nice tooth that was missing right there. I'm gonna get that fixed sometime. That happened Wednesday there. Tooth fell out. And I talked a little bit about that. But anyway, let's just go ahead and show the water. So, up here in the front of the house, you see the water kind of trails down. Goes. Alright. Of course, keeps trailing down. And you can see the actual trail the water takes going downhill. So I'm kind of anxious to see like where it goes, if the park, what I need to do with the site and to the park as well to get that drainage out of there. So you see it drains down, moving pretty fast too. Look at the current, pretty fast. All right, so it's pouring down right into the site. Look at it. Yeah, that's about 4 or 5 inches deep right there, pouring into the site. Basically, that did not work. I got a pipe right there, small little pipe, probably clogged up right now. So that is just pouring straight into the site. Look at that, that's crazy. A lot of water coming down in this area here. So definitely need some kind of a ditch system, some kind of like a ditch to channel that water down. So definitely need to work on that. Looking at the site, yeah, we got some major. It's actually going right underneath. Right there, it's actually going right underneath the piling there. I guess I didn't put it down deep enough. That's something I'll have to work on. I didn't put it down deep enough there. So, might need to try to do that again, make it a little deeper. And the water's coming down there, and look at this. It is flowing over. Look at it. We got a freaking waterfall going down. Washed out, sun to sand. Creating a lot of issue there. So all that water is just running down straight in here. Looking back here, of course, we got those pesky beavers again. They're flooding up bad. That pile of field dirt's turning to mush. It's gonna be fun. But it's crazy. That water is just pouring in, washed out basically a lot of that stone dust. And coming back here, so that water is going right down into the park. It's a freaking river right now. Yeah, I don't think I've ever been back here during when a heavy rainstorm like this is. Never been back here, so this is first time for me. Looking, major flood there under the bridge, which usually you can drive under that. I knew that's a low end spot, so I know that's definitely going to catch a lot of water there. Over there, let's see. Try to do this without slipping, falling. So I got a tunnel right there. That's that was for the water to go through, and it's actually working. The water is going through there, traveling down, but crazy. And look at this. This is all flooded up. Yeah. That's pretty deep right there. I'm standing on my bridge. Pretty solid. Not really worrying about it to fall apart. I built that thing to last. Yeah. You hear it. Sounds like popcorn popping, right? I know. But yeah, but this is a good chance for me to check out what this water is actually doing during heavy storms. You definitely see it's channeling down there. That's definitely keeping the water from going down into that area there. So that was a good thing. Looked like one of my pieces popped up, and then of course it gets really flooded back that way right there. Heavy rainstorm, my friends. Heavy rainstorm. Now we're supposed to run the sites actually Saturday. Today is Friday. We're having some decent weather Saturday there, so we wanted to get out here and do some more digging and stuff. And that fill dirt is going to be super soggy. That's definitely going to put havoc on the machinery. I'm trying to load up that dirt and stuff like that. I don't know. It's going to be kind of very monkey. This right here is just it's just unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. We got water trailing right out the back. It is flooded down here. Might need to just go ahead and pull up this maybe just need to go ahead and start pulling up this this wood right here. Let's see what happens. So it's washing a lot of stuff out of there. It's getting a lot of that dirt and stuff. And this is some fill dirt that I got here, and it's got some shells in it. I know we don't want the dirt to wash all the way around, but definitely emptied out quite a bit right there. So yeah, so definitely need to make some kind of a ditch. They got a little ditch for the water to run through. I'm just not exactly sure on it, but yeah, this is crazy. Look, you got water coming right from under there. Yeah, it's just terrible. I don't even think my little pipe system, that's a little small pipe, and it's probably covered up by something. Some trash in there or something like that. Opened up, but it's not a whole one-piece pipe. There you go, some water is flowing out. But yeah, definitely need to dig out a ditch. Won't do that with the construction vehicles because this is pretty rooty right here, and a lot of grass. Definitely I'll do something on that part right there. Try to channel this water. But it's going to be a lot of fun. There we go, my friends. So a little update on that current water issue here. Yeah, definitely got some work. That tooth is killing me. It's missing. But yeah, so definitely got some work to do on solving this issue of the water running down into the site, and I might have to end up changing that that section right there, the main entrance. I might have to end up probably putting it up towards, probably up here. It seems like a better area if I want to have a main entrance. Which, I mean, do we have to have an entrance? Not really. It's just fun to have one. Since it is a construction site, you're gonna have an entrance to get into your construction field. So yeah, I might have to change that up, bring it up over here where it's, you know, in a good area. This is actually a pretty solid area here, and of course the water runs past it. So need to dig a ditch, probably about a foot wide, maybe 2 feet wide, maybe. Yeah, that's gonna be nice and mucky. Yeah. Lot of water. Might actually need to go ahead and just move this block right here and let the water go down that way. There we go. That's doing it, but that's also going to cause a lot of erosion happening there. But that's all I can do right now. Dirt, a lot of stone, like I said, a lot of shells in this dirt right here. Yeah, we got water just pouring everywhere. Yeah, and of course, looking back here, so there's pesky beavers blocking up everything. Water is high. High water sign for high water. Try not. The beavers have been blocking up. I see that. There's just nothing I can do about it. I can keep tearing this thing down and it's still just going to come back. They'll put it right back again. Alright, my friends. Yeah, I think it's time to go ahead, get inside, and assess the damage tomorrow, fix some few things. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can still run. Like I said, it's going to be kind of messy, it's going to be milky, it's going to be, you know, a nightmare on the site. And really we shouldn't be running. But, you know, Saturday has been our RC, you know, construction day. And we really look forward you know, Saturday coming along and doing this. And to have some fun and get away from everyday stuff that's been going on in our life and all that good stuff. So, I don't know. We shall see. Alright, my friends. Well, thank you all for watching. And check you out later. Bye.